Are you having a grape? Eat your grapes. Eat your grapes. Are you telling Mommy a story? Oops. Yeah? Eat your grape. Go ahead. Well, eat it, cuckoo. That's what you do when you're silly. You were just telling Mommy a story. You were just talking so much. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah? Can you say dada? Dada? Yeah. Excuse you. How come you're being so silly? Hmm? How come you're so silly? Here's your grape. Mmm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mm-hmm. How come you're so cute? Yeah? How come you're so cute? Say, because I look like my dad. Yeah. What? Yay! Do it. Say yay! Good job. Yeah, we just got home from church, listened to some Christmas music on TV, eating some grapes. Yeah. Telling stories. Careful. Mm-hmm. Yay! There it is. Yay! Yeah. Yay! Yay! Yeah, good job. Good job. Oh my goodness. Such a big boy. Here, another one. Mmm. Be careful, you got food in your mouth. Yeah, you gotta be careful. I bet that's Grandma. Yeah, I bet it is. Yay! Yes! Alright. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say see you later. Say I love you. Say I love you.